Are you tired of feeling stuck with your driving theory test? Let AI help you pass faster and smarter. Introducing the Complete Theory Test Package. Powered by cutting-edge AI that tracks your progress and helps you focus on what really matters. Our AI-driven system customizes your learning plan, pinpointing your weak areas and showing you exactly what to work on. And you're never alone. You'll have a personal theory coach to guide you every step of the way. With unlimited practice exams, realistic hazard perception tips, and feedback that helps you improve fast, our theory test package is designed to get you test-ready, efficiently and effectively. You'll also get a one-on-one intro with a theory test coach to make sure you fully understand how to get the best results using our system. Need help with booking your test? We've got you covered. We'll handle everything, from test bookings to cancellations, ensuring you're ready when the time comes. All this for just £54.80. No hidden fees. Get ahead of the game and pass your theory test with confidence. Don't miss out. Limited spots available. Book now.
The customer service was top-notch. Her words of encouragement exceeded my expectations. I highly recommend the company to anyone looking for quality driving school and excellent service. I had a great experience in my one-on-one session with Marty. Thank you, Marty.
The service was absolutely wonderful. The team offered a personalized experience from start to finish, and the instructor was simply amazing, patient, professional, and very skilled. I highly recommend this driving school. Don't miss out. Limited spots available. Book now.